Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we explained default programs. In this video, we will explain the default transportation plan. To access the default transportation plan page, go to the left-hand side menu, click Quotation, then Defaults, and select Transportation Plan. The default transportation plan is used to define standard transportation rules based on the number of passengers. These plans allow the system to automatically assign the appropriate vehicle type and transportation company depending on the pax range. Using default transportation plans helps speed up the quotation process, ensures consistent transportation planning, and reduces the chances of manual mistakes by sales staff. On the left-hand side, you will find the Search panel, which displays all saved transportation plans. From here, you can search for and open any existing plan. For example, Default FIT's transportation plan, which can be selected and edited if needed. If you want to create a new transportation plan, click New. Then, enter the transportation plan name. For example, Default Adventure Groups. You may also enter notes for internal use if needed, then click Save. Once saved, the system will automatically generate a serial number for the transportation plan. You will also see the option for routes. When this option is enabled, this transportation plan will appear in the Routes section, inside the Transportation Default Plan drop-down menu. Now, let us add a row to define the transportation rules. Click the green plus button. First, define the pax range. Enter one in the From Pax field and one in the Up to Pax field. For free pax in double or single, we will explain this logic in the next step. So for now, we will leave these values as 0. Next, select the vehicle type. For example, choose car. Then select the transportation company, such as Hertz Transportation Company. You can also add notes for internal use if needed. Then click Save. This row now represents an example rule for FIT passengers. Now, let us consider another example. If your company policy allows one free passenger for every 15 guests, you may want to create a wider pax range. For example, define the pax range from 15 passengers to 20 passengers, and enter one free passenger in double. This allows the system to calculate the free pax policy automatically based on this rule. Then, select the vehicle type, for example, medium bus, and choose the transportation company, such as Jordan Transportation. Finally, click Save. These predefined transportation rules can later be used in the Transportation tab inside the quotation, where selecting a default transportation plan will automatically apply the corresponding vehicle types and transportation companies with their number of passengers and free pax configuration. This will be explained further in the next part of this phase. This completes the default transportation plan section. In the next video, we will explain general seasonality. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.